Amarnath Yatra has been suspended due to weather. No pilgrims will be permitted to visit the cave from Pahalgam or Baltal. The Yatra was suspended due to heavy rains and will continue when the weather improves, officials said. Earlier, the Yatra was suspended following severe rain on July 5th and a cloudburst on July 8th. It left 16 dead and 30 missing. The Yatra resumed through Pahalgam and Baltal. According to reports, 1.44 lakh pilgrims have performed the Amarnath Yatra and 5,449 left Jammu for the valley on Thursday. The official said worshippers prayed at the cave shrine despite 3-day suspension due to flash flood on July 8. The Amarnath Yatra, a sacred Hindu pilgrim, started on June 30 and is scheduled to finish on Shravan Purnima, which coincides with Raksha Bandhan on August 11.